Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So today we are going to start our fourth chapter. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So we are going to start our fourth chapter. So you just take your rough book and write the name. So the name of our chapter is Working with Graphical Objects. Okay, so we are going to start our next chapter, which means that fourth chapter. The name of that chapter is Working with Graphical Objects. So in this chapter, you will be learning how we can make our presentation attractive, which means that how we can insert our pictures, clip arts, and all, and how we can work or how we can apply a word art style to our document. So in this, and at last we will be learning how to insert shapes also. So this is the fourth chapter. So the name of the chapter is Working with Graphical Objects. I hope you have written the name, which means that in this chapter we are going to learn how we can insert pictures and clip art. So you will be doing, not I will be teaching you, I will be guiding you, and you will be doing the practical, and you will help your friends to show how we can insert this. Okay, so moving to our first topic. First, if we can insert pictures, how? First, we have to select Insert tab. Then we have to click on the Insert Picture command. Then we have to choose the location of the picture that we want, and we have to select the picture. After that, we have to click Insert, which means that no need to write anything. In this, you can see Insert tab. In the Images group, you can see this option, Picture. Okay, when you click that, first you have to choose the location that you want. Then you have to select the picture. Then you have to press Insert button. So who would like to do the practical, which means that, is there anyone who is attending this class through computer or lab? Please raise your hand. I want you to do. Yes, Felix, please share the screen. Others, please see. Okay, all will get the chance. Okay. So,
Okay.
Felix, share the screen and take PowerPoint.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Do it fast. Okay, do it fast. Yes.
Sure. Can anyone see this?
Yeah. Take blank presentation.
So we should take blank presentation.
Okay. It's taking too much time. Yeah. Now click Insert tab. All of you, please look on the screen. Press Insert tab. There you can see. Press Insert tab. Insert. We can't see, Felix. Insert.
Okay,
Yes.
insert.
Click that. Yeah. There you can see option Pictures. Yes. Select that from this device. This device. This device. First one. Yes. Click that.
Okay.
Now. First, after clicking this is about 2013. We are discussing about 2010 version. Okay. Now you have to select the location. Select a location. Select a location.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have to select the location. Yes, he is clicking, I think, pictures. Okay. From there, you just select a picture that you want. Yes. Select one. No need to go down. Select one. Yes. He selected that, and you have to click Open. Yeah. Open. Yeah. This is how you can insert your picture. Very good. Excellent. Thank you, Tia, for sharing the screen. You can stop sharing the screen. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. Now I would like Kirtana to share the screen. Those are using phone also, they can also do. Okay, those are attending the classes through phone. They can use their phone and they can also insert. Okay. Yes. Yes. Go to the Insert tab. Yes. Press that. Okay, see, in the insert tab, you can see the option picture. Click that. After that, you have to select the location. She is selecting her location, and then we have to select the picture that we want. She selected, then we have to click insert. You have not, yes, this is how you can insert picture. Kirtana, take a new slide. So this is how you can insert a picture. Kirtana, take a new slide. Blank one, down one, down one, down one. New, yes, blank, yes. Now, see how we can insert clip art, which means that clip arts are the predefined, pre-made images, okay, in the PowerPoint. So now let's see how we can insert clip art. So Kirtana, please take, in the insert tab, you can see clip art option. Yes, press that. So on the right hand side, you can see the clip art pane. It will appear. See, press that, Kirtana, press that. Only once it will appear. Yeah. Look at the right side. There on the search for option, you just type a word car, type a word car, C-A-R, and press go. See, you can see different options for the car. Select one, Kirtana. Yes. See, it has been inserted. Excellent. This is how you can insert clip art. Thank you, Kirtana, for sharing the screen. Thank you, my dear. You can stop sharing the screen. So we have seen, I know that most of you are raising your hand. Wait. I will give you the time. Okay, I will give you the chance. So far we have seen how we can insert pictures and clip parts, isn't it? So this is how we can insert picture. And if you want to insert clip part, what we have to do? In the insert tab, you can see the option clip art command that we have to press. When we press that, on the right hand side, you can see clip art task pane will appear. From there, you have to enter the word that you want and you have to press go. This is how you can insert clip art. See, this is the option clip art. After that, on the right hand side, you can see this pane where you can insert the keyword here. Okay. After inserting the keyword, I have entered a keyword. When I press go, here you can see different images related to that. Isn't it? This is how you can insert clip art. Okay. Is that clear? Yes. Moving to the next option, which means that moving to the next topic. If we want to make our text beautiful, stylish, we will go with word art. Okay, so let's see how we can insert or how we can apply word art. After this, I will be making you do the following thing. So now I would like to call, yes, Sarah, share the screen. Sarah, share the screen. Those are using phone also, they can also do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Share the screen.
Ma'am, I am using laptop.
No problem. Share.
Then, ma'am, we should take files
You just take PowerPoint.
to share PowerPoint.
Yeah, PowerPoint. Yes. Okay, take PowerPoint. Okay, now you just show them how we can insert a picture in this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. How we can insert? Search. Take blank presentation. Yes. Now press insert tab. Go to the insert tab. There on the right side, you can see word art. On the right side, you can see word art. Right. Yes. No. In the text group, text. A little bit left, move to the left. Yes. Near to the yes. Click that. Now select the style that you want. Yes. Now type a word. In that type of word. No. Click there. Your text here. Yes. Erase that text. Yes. Erase that text. First you take a blank presentation. Go to the new slide. There you can see option new slide. Yes. No. Yes, new slide. There you take blank one. Blank. Listen to me. Blank. Yeah. Select. Now go to the word art. See, all of you listen here. To insert word art style, you have to choose. You have to go to the word art option. Now type a word. Erase that. Erase that. Now type a word. See, this is how you can apply word art style. Is that clear? You just share. Nanika, you just take another style. Yes. No, in the insert. In the insert. Yes. Okay. Yes. Type a word. Okay. Yes. See, we can also fill color. How we can fill this color? Fill color to this text. First, you select that. Select, Nanika, select the text. Select the text. Select the text, yes. There on the top, you can see text fill. Text fill. No, top. Yes, top. Text fill. Top to that. Top. Yes, click that arrow. Click that arrow. Now, if you want to color, you can choose any color that you want. Okay, if you want, you can also insert picture. Nanika, at the bottom, you can see option picture. There. Nanika, select. First, you listen to me. In the text fill option, go to Nanika. In the insert, please click. First, you select the text. Select the text. Select the text. Go to the insert. Okay. At the top, you just look at the top. There you can see option text field. Click that. Yes. Now, in bottom, come to the bottom. There you can see option picture. Yes, click that. Now, wait. It is loading. You can also insert picture in that text. Now, let's see. Yes, in the Bing image, type a word. Yes, in the Bing image, type a word. You just type cat. Cat. Now, search. Okay, select a cat. Insert. See, now you can see that we have inserted. See, you can see the image of that cat in that 5-way computer. Okay, this is how you can fill that with the picture also. Is that clear? Thank you for sharing the screen, Nanika. Now I would like to call Manav. Share the screen. Yes, dear Manav, what happened? Yeah, where is Manav? Screens are changing. Wait. Yes, Riza. Share the screen. Manav, okay. I think he is using phone. Excellent. He's showing how you can insert pictures in the phone. Okay, when you're working with phone, this is how you can insert picture in the PowerPoint. Excellent. Okay, this is how you can insert when you are using phone. This is how you can insert picture. Excellent. Okay, Manav, please show once more. Let others see. Yes, those who are using phone, they can also do it. Yes, Manav, share the screen once again. Do it slowly. Yes, Manav.
Yes, ma'am. So first I'll share the screen.
Yeah, share the screen.
Yes, ma'am. So because I'm in the phone, we cannot clip art or clip word.
Yes.
So I'll take Google. I'll search the thing I want. So now I searched car. So there will be, and I'll take images and there will be a lot of pictures. Now if I take this one, I'll long press the picture and I'll press download image. Now after I did that, I'll take Microsoft Office and yes ma'am, I'll take a blank presentation. Yes, so I'll click this one time and I'll cut this out. So now it's a blank slide, and then I'll press this thing with the mountains and the sun. When I press that, it will come into files. So you can choose anything you want. You can choose images and a lot of that. Now I downloaded the photo, so I take download. I select the image, and if I want, I can crop the image so it is smaller or bigger. Then I press done and it comes here on the
Screen.
slide.
On the slide, yes. So this is how you can insert image when you're working with, when you're using phone. Is that clear for all? Those are using phone? Yes. Thank you, Mana, for sharing the screen. Very good. Excellent. Very well done. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So now I would like to call Riza. Did you get the chance? Yes. Okay. Izan, share the screen. So first you just click insert.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now look, go to the right side. There you can see the text group. There you can see the word, see the command word art. Click that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now select the style that you want.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now type a word there. Type a word there. Yes. Type a word. First you raise that. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now type a word. Okay. For more clarity, you just take a new slide, which means that, yes, go to the insert tab. Oh, okay. Home tab. In the new slide, you just click blank. Now do the same. Go to the insert, press the insert tab. Yes. Now go to the word art. Yes. Now select the style that you want.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, yes. Type your name. Erase that. After that, type your name. Type your name, my dear. Okay. Now, if you want to change the fill color, what you have to do is that first you select the text. Yes, dear, select the text. First you select the text that you have typed. Select that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Select the text. Go to the text fill option. Yes. There you can see texture. Go with that.
Ma'am.
Down, 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 down. Yes, texture. From there, you can select one. Yes, see the change. Isn't it? You have seen the change, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You just change the color once again. Select that text. So you can change the fill color using color or picture, gradient or texture. Yes, select that. Select the text that you have typed. Once again, select the text that you have typed. Yes. Now. Yes. Yes. Now go with yes, texture. Yes. Excellent. This is how you can change the fill color. Is that clear for all? If it is okay, show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's see how we can apply effect. You just go to the text effect, my dear. Once again, text effects. Same. There, word art style. Yes. Third one. Yes, third one. Yes, select that. Go with transform. You can select any text effect. Yes, select any style that you want. See the change that is occurring. Yeah. No, go with any other style. Yes, select the text once again. Select the text that you have typed. First, you just select the text that you have typed. Yes, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now text effect. Yes. Transform. Transform. Yes. Yeah. See the effect that we can apply. We can also go with 3D rotate, bevel, glow. Yes, this is how you can apply a text effect, okay, to a board art style. Is that clear for all? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then one more option is there. See, text outline. You just show how we can change the text outline. If you want to change the text outline, we can go with it. Okay, you can change the difference that has been occurring now. Okay, is that clear? Yes. Thank you,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
dear. Thank you for sharing the screen. I hope you all,
Okay, ma'am.
the concept is clear to you all, right? Yes. Okay. Now I would like to call. Whom should I call? Yes. Riza, share the screen. You are using computer, Riza? Laptop. Yes. Share the screen.
Ma'am, laptop.
No problem. Share the screen. Yes, blank presentation. Yes. Now let's see how to insert shape. Yes, Riza, go to the insert tab. Insert.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. See, there you can see the option shapes. In the illustration group. In the illustrations group. Shapes. Yes, select that. Yes, now insert a smiley face is there. Insert that. Come down. Yes, select that. Yes, now draw. Yes. Very good. This is how you can insert image. Okay, Riza, you do one thing. You just take a blank slide.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. The home. Yes. Very good. Yes. Now choose the second slide. Yes. Riza, you just fill this slide with many shapes that you like. Yes. Take one image. Yes. Insert one shape that you like. Yes. See, there are different shapes, isn't it? Yes. Draw it. Make it a little bit bigger. Yes. Insert another shape. Yes. Yeah. Drag that. Yes. Insert another shape. Smiling one. Okay. Okay. Yes. Very good. Now, Riza, you do one thing. You just for different versions of PowerPoint, instead of clipart, you can see online pictures. So, Riza, go to the insert tab. Let's show them what is that. Yes. Now there you can see online pictures. Select that online picture. Second one. Yes. Select that. Yes. Now I would like Mayuk. Can you just tell me which picture do you want? What do you want? Means do you want the picture of cat, dog, car? What? Riza will type there. Yes.
Ma'am, dog.
Dog. Okay. Riza, type dog there. Thank you, my dear. You can mute. Yes, Rudra, tell me which picture do you want? Rudra will choose. Yes, Rudra, which one do you want? Yes, you just scroll down. Yes, Rudra, which one do you want? See, a dog with laptop. Do you want that? Huh? Which one, Rudra? Tell me. Which one?
The second one.
I think I can't hear you, Rudra. Check your audio. Yeah. I can't hear you. Okay. Ojas and Manas, which one do you want? Which one do you want? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yes, Rudra. Which one do you want?
a dog with laptop.
Okay, select dog with laptop. Yes, select that. Yes, insert. Press insert. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Some error occurred. Okay, press OK. It is loading, I think so. Yes, it is loading. This is how you can insert, isn't it? Wow, what a lovely picture, right? A dog with spectacles and laptop. My God. So this is how you can insert. So thank you for sharing the screen. You can stop sharing the screen, my dear. Thank you. Thank you, Riza. How is the chapter? Is it good, bad, interesting?
Interesting.
Interesting. My God.
Ma'am, can I?
You want to do? You all want to do? Okay.
Yeah.
So that's all for today. Bye.
Bye.